Jai Hind and a very warm welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to show you how to complete your online enrollment process for the NCC using the NIS Login website portal. It is recommended that before you start the login process, that you make use of a laptop or a personal computer such as a desktop, as it has been reported to us by some cadets that they have faced issues with the mobile user interface. The first step is to type in NIS Login NCC into your search browser. You must then click the link which reads out NCC Integrated Software, NIS. And you will be greeted with the website portal. Now at this step, we must select the login option. At the login interface, it is important to fill out these three fields. In the username section, you must write down your phone number. In the password section, you must write down the password that you had set for your NCC account when you first registered online for the NCC. In the CAPTCHA, you must complete the CAPTCHA that is displayed as so on the right hand side. Once this is completed, click on Send OTP. You shall then receive a 6-digit OTP in your messages as per the number which you have put in your username. Once you have filled out the OTP, click Login. You shall then see the screen where you have to fill out a large number of fields, including uploading a few documents which we will instruct here. It is recommended that during this login process, after filling out each section, you must tap on the Save as a Draft option. Therefore, if you lose internet connectivity at any point during the process, you will save the progress on your login. Firstly, it is important to upload a passport size image of yourself. This image needs to be of a JPEG or a PNG format and must be less than 2 MB in size. Next, you must fill in the fields of full name, gender, mobile number, date of birth, Aadhaar number, email address, father's name, mother's name, and nationality. You may consult your Aadhaar card while you are filling out all of these fields. Under the section of Education Information, you need to select Regular under Enrollment type. And under Institute type, you must select the option College. In the PIN code field, you must put in the PIN code which your college is registered on. In Study In, if you are a first year, you must put in the option first. If you are a second year, you must put in the option second. You must put in the respective institute which you are registered in. Under the Associate NCC Officer and Caretaker Officer section, you shall get a drop-down menu out of which you have to select either one of your officers. Under the Wing section, you must choose whether your NCC wing is an Army wing, a Navy wing, or an Air Force wing. The unit, group HQ, and DTE fields will get automatically filled up thereafter by the website. You do not have to put in any manual input here. The address information, you need to fill out the details which are as specified in your Aadhaar card. Under the section of NRS, which stands for Nearest Railway Station, you need to fill out the name of the railway station which is closest to you currently. Under the Medical Information section, you must fill out your identification mark. Identification mark means any specific or particular mark on your body, such as a birthmark or a discoloration on your skin, which can be used to identify your body in the event that you are involved in a fatal accident later on. Thereafter, you must fill in your blood group, any medical complaint or medical complication that you have had in the past. Under the NOK information section, you must fill out the NOK name. NOK refers to next of kin. Next of kin means the next relative or person to whom compensation will be given in case you are involved in a fatal accident. Write down the name of your next of kin, in what way you are related to that next of kin in the form of the type of relation, and you must mention the contact number of your next of kin. Under NOK address information, you have to fill out the fields which explain where your next of kin lives at. Under the NRS section, you must fill out the field that details the nearest railway station to your next of kin. Under the other details section, you have to fill out the fields of sports. So you must put in any particular sport that you like to play. Co-curricular activity, which means any particular activity which is extracurricular that you like to engage in. So this could mean art, music, dance, or whatever you prefer. You must fill out conviction of criminal court. If you have not been involved of being convicted of any crime in the past, you must click on the no option. The field willingness to undergo military training. Since the NCC involves military training, you must click the yes option. Since you have passed the NCC interview and want to join the NCC, you must click the yes option under willingness to serve in NCC. Under previously applied for enrollment section, you must fill out whether you have been a part of the NCC before or not. If you have no prior experience with the NCC and this is your first time joining it, you must click the no option. If you have ever been expelled from the NCC, you must click the yes option. If this is not the case, you can click the no option. In the upload document section, you must click on choose file and select a photo of your final declaration. The final declaration is the last page in the enrollment form that you have been given in hard copy by the NCC unit. This page includes declaration of acceptance for enrollment, the certificate by medical officer, and the declaration by the parent or guardian. It also includes the certificate which has the signature of your enrolling officer and the signature of the principal. The photo of this final declaration is to be uploaded to the website in a PDF format. It is also important to note here that while in this online form, we have selected the unit name as to Gujarat Compo Tech Coy NCC Vidyanagar. As a result of our NCC unit having recently upgraded and expanded, in the second page of the physical form, in field number 16, we must write the name of our NCC unit as 38 Gujarat Battalion NCC VV Nagar. Once you have completed this process, please click on preview to ensure that you have not made any mistake in filling out any of the details in the form. Once you have verified all of your details, click on Submit Form. Once the website processes your form, you will get this email in your inbox. This is confirmation that you are now successfully registered onto the NCC portal. My name is Ishaan Ganguly. I am a cadet at the BVM NCC unit and I was involved in the editing and the English voiceover for this video. I also extend my sincere gratitude to my friend, fellow batchmate and fellow cadet at the BVM NCC unit, Mr. Kaushal Rao, for the Hindi voiceover in this video. hope that this video has made it clear to you all on how to register online and log in into the NCC portal successfully. We hope to see you in our drills, parades and training camps very soon. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.